Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in removing all leaf nodes from the binary search tree. First, let us take an example. We traverse given binary search tree in pre-order way. During the traversal, we check if current node is leaf. If yes, then we delete it. Else, we recur for the left and right children. An important thing to remember is, we must assign new left and right children if there is any modification in roots of subtrees. Now let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, into function leaf delete. So root will point to 1. We check if the left and right of root are both null. As it is false for 1, we recursively call the left and right subtrees using a call stack. Now root will point to 2. Again, as the left and right children of 2 is not null, the if condition is not satisfied and we call for the left child of 2, which is 4. Hence, root will now point to 4. Now, as the left and right children of 4 is null, the if condition is satisfied and we free root and return null. So 4 is freed and null is returned to the previous call. Next, we resume execution for node 2 and now pass the right child of 2, which is 5. So root will point to 5. Again, as the left and right of 5 is null, we free the memory for 5 and return null. Execution for node 2 is now over. We resume execution for node 1 and pass the right child of 1, which is 3. So root will point to 3. Again, as the left and right of 3 are null, we free the memory for node 3 and return null to 1's right. We have the final tree after deleting the leaf nodes. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.